So we have the derivative of secant function. So y equals secant x. If y equals a secant x, then derivative of secant x is equal to secant x tangent x. If u is a differentiable function of x, then according to chain rule, we have the derivative of secant u is equal to secant u tangent u times the derivative of u. Okay, let's have an example. Alright, so our u here is 2x, as you can see. Now, let's derive the u. So, 2x will be 2 na lang. And let's use our formula. We have the derivative of secant u is equal to secant u tangent u du. And now let's substitute our values. So we have secant, our u here is 2x, and tangent, again our u is 2x, and the derivative of u is 2. So let's just rewrite this one. So we have 2 secant 2x tangent 2x. Okay, so that's it. This is our derivative. Let's differentiate y equals 2 secant x plus 50. Okay, so as you can see here, we have 50, so automatic this will become 0 na lang kasi ito ay constant, no? Ayan. So, wala tayong u dito kasi ang ating x ay, or ang ating pong secant ay meron lang x. Hindi naman po siya function na baga kailangan pa natin gamitin ng chain rule. So, automatic, pwede natin gamitin yung ating pong ito, yung ating derivative ng secant x is equal to secant x tangent x. Alright. So, we will have derivative of secant x is equal to, so as you can see here, meron tayong 2 constant. Kapag constant po nakatabi ng function, that means kailangan nating isama yan. Isusulat lang natin. So we have 2. And then, we know na ang formula nito ay secant x tangent x. So ilagay natin secant x tangent x. Ngayon, itong 50 na to, kasi pag dinerive mo to, magiging 0. So, no need na ilagay siya dito. So, this is our formula. This is our derivative. Another example, we have differentiate y equals negative 3 secant 6x. Alright. So, dito, pwede na nating i-identify to as our u, yung 6x na to. Okay, so our u is a 6x and the derivative of 6x is 6 na lang. Alright, then balikan natin yung ating formula. We have the derivative of secant u is equal to secant u tangent u du. Alright. So, as you can see here, meron tayong constant again. Tandaan nyo ha, iba ang constant na nakatabi ng ating pong trigonometric function sa constant na sineseparate ng ating pong operation. Let's say plus or minus 50. Kasi automatic, yung mga constant na sineseparate ng operation na plus or minus, magiging 0 yan pag dinerive mo. Pero, kapag yung constant ay katabi ng ating pong trigonometric function, automatic po, we will just copy it. So, lagyan natin dito, we have negative 3. And, copy natin yung secant. Ang u natin is 6x. And then, tangent u, ang u natin dito ay 6x din. And, derivative ng u is 6. Now, i-ano natin, i-write. And we have 6 times 3, para sa mga constant, is negative 18. So, secant 6x tangent 6x. Okay? Alright. So let's have the derivative of cotangent function. We have y equals cotangent x. If y equals cotangent x, then the derivative of cotangent x is equal to the negative cosecant squared x. Now, if u is a differentiable function of x, then according to chain rule, the derivative of cotangent u is equal to the negative cosecant squared u du. Alright? Or the derivative of u. So let's have an example for you to better understand this one. Again, let's identify our u. So as you can see here, we have actually two functions. No? We have the 4x squared and our cotangent x. So kung titignan natin, ito yung ating u, and then this is our v, no? And ang operation natin dito ay plus, kaya we're going to use the sum rule. Alright. Now, kunin mo natin yung ating pong u, which is 4x squared, and ang du nito, or derivative nito ay 4 times 2, that is 8x. And sa isa naman, our v is cotangent x, and our dv is derivative ng cotangent, that is negative cosecant squared x. Alright. Now we will just substitute our formula, or we will just substitute these values to our formula. We have the derivative of cotangent u is equal to negative cosecant squared u du. Sorry. So, ano pala ito? Sum rule. Okay, kung sum rule to, ibig sabihin yung ating formula dapat ay para sa sum rule, no? So we have ano ba ang sum rule? Ibig sabihin, we are going to derive each term, no? Derive natin each term. So, ang derivative nitong u is 4x squared, so that is, kumbaga kung isipin natin kung sum rule ito, yung ating derivative will become du plus dv, no? Kasi i-derive na natin isa-isa itong ating pong function or ating terms. So, ang derivative, ang du natin would be 4x squared, 8x plus, ang dv natin is negative cosecant squared x. So that this will become 8x minus cosecant squared x. Okay? So yan po yung ating derivative. Let's have another example. So dito meron na tayong magagamit na u, no? And that is 5x. So if u is 5x, our du is 5. Okay? And then, let's just apply this to our formula. So we have the derivative of cotangent u is equal to negative cosecant squared u du. And sabi nga natin, meron tayong constant na 3 dito. So we'll just write it. So 3 times negative cosecant squared, and our u here is 5x, lagay natin. Now our du is 5, so lagay din natin. Okay? So, as you can see, we have here two constants. We have 5 and 3. So we'll just multiply this. 5 times 3, that is 15. And this is negative. So we have negative 15 cosecant squared 5x. So this is our derivative.